Hey guys, and in this video I'll show you how to use multi-active window on this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. Let's start with making usual split screen, and for this I'm just gonna swipe left to open Edge panels, and now I'm gonna choose YouTube for the first app. For this I'm just gonna drag it onto the screen and drop it right here. And now let's select another app, for example Calculator. So now you have two apps which you can use at the same time. If you would like to replace the calculator, just tap this line, then tap on these many dots and choose notes, for example. And now you can watch videos on YouTube and making notes at the same time. So what is great here? So if you just unfold your phone, this split screen appears as usual. And you can also add a third application. For this, let's choose Gallery, for example, and just drag it onto the screen. And now we have the half split screen just on the bottom of it. And you can also make this third application as a floating window. So just tap this line and then select this icon. And now you have Gallery like a floating window, which you can drag anywhere across the screen just using this line, like this. And you can use these three apps at the same time. If you'd like to close this gallery, just tap line as before and use these arrows. And now you'll see just the icon of this app. If you would like to open it again, just tap it. And that's really impressive. You can use three apps at the same time. So that's it. Hope this video was useful for you. And thank you so much for watching.